Hello, everybody. This is Don, the Hillbilly Nature Guy. Well, today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do the weather because the views today wouldn't be that good because you can't see that far because the snow is coming down. It's right around 30 degrees. And yeah, we're supposed to get all kinds of crap. They say 6 to 10 inches by tomorrow. Early afternoon, I guess. Maybe possibly a little bit of rain. Mix it in. So it should be really fun. But I don't have to work tomorrow. Oh, that's a bummer, isn't it? But anyways. So that's what it is today, everybody. Well, anyways, guys, I wanted to bring you a little something today. And that's what it is today. Weather. Mother Nature is giving us some weather. All right, well, you all have a great night, and I love you all, and thank you, and we'll talk to you later.